Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Jesse Daly here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. I really appreciate it. My friends, we have a lot to talk about today, and I'm going to just give you a quick overview of what is happening with Hurricane Humberto and Tropical Depression 9, which is very likely to become Tropical Storm Imelda in the next several hours. So we are going to take a quick look first at the infrared satellite imagery courtesy of tropicaltidbits.com. Again, infrared satellite imagery measures the temperature of cloud tops. So the darker colors you see are very cold cloud tops that have built high up into the atmosphere. This is Hurricane Humberto, a Category 5 hurricane now. Incredible system. Fortunately, it appears it will stay over water and will not affect land. However, Bermuda, you still have to watch this one closely just in case of any wobbles. To the west of Hurricane Humberto, we have Tropical Depression 9. This is the same system that came across the U.S. Virgin Islands a few days ago as Invest 94L. It is still organizing now by the Bahamas, and we have several tropical alerts that are up due to this system. So let's jump over and take a look at what can be expected from Tropical Depression 9. This is the update from 5 p.m. We can see that soon it should be a tropical storm Imelda, and there are tropical storm warnings for the Bahamas, and tropical storm watches are up along portions of the east coast of Florida. There's a lot of uncertainty of the track of this system. Some models are taking this kind of stalling offshore with a turn to the right. Some computer models still are showing that it could actually make a landfall around the Carolinas. A lot of uncertainty. Anyone along the southeast coast should be prepared for this system, because even if it doesn't come across land, it will still bring impacts. What are those impacts? Well, we are going to look here that their rainfall in particular, it's a very disorganized system right now. So we've got rainfall continuing across Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, of course the Bahamas with some wind, and this could be a flooding situation also for portions of again Florida or the Carolinas, especially. Even if it stays offshore, it could bring a bunch of rain. But of course, that would significantly change if it moves inland. These are rainfall totals. If it stays offshore, we can already see, of course, there could still be a bunch of rain regardless. So something to watch really closely, my friends, if you are really anywhere along the southeast coast. And of course, if you're in the Bahamas, stay safe. This is going to continue to strengthen as it moves in a northwesterly direction. Now let's jump over quickly to take a look at what is going on with Hurricane Humberto. This is an incredible system, Category 5 hurricane. Fortunately, it will stay. It's forecast to stay over water. But again, Bermuda needs to watch this. Even while this stays offshore, we're actually being affected in the Virgin Islands due to swells generated by Humberto, and a large portion of the eastern seaboard is also going to be dealing with dangerous swells, rip currents because of Hurricane Humberto, and of course Bermuda will be affected by swells as well. So there's a lot going on, my friends. Make sure that you are staying safe out there. Follow the National Hurricane Center. I'll keep you posted on what's happening as much as I can. And if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I am based in the U.S. Virgin Islands on St. Croix. I'll be here throughout hurricane season and throughout the year. So thank you for your support of this channel. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine. Thank you so much for watching.